Professor Flitwick was a magical man, with a wild white beard and a hat that span. He taught spells and potions at Hogwarts School, and every night he taught the owl. "Good evening, dear Hedwig," he'd say. Together they'd soar over hills and trees, discovering secrets that others couldn't see. "Look at the stars, Hedwig, so bright and clear," Professor Flitwick would say, filled with cheer. "They're not just stars, you know, but magical lights, guiding our journey through the endless nights." One night, as they flew, a strange little light came floating towards them with a gentle flight. "Hello, little light," said Hedwig, with a bow. "What brings you here to our magical show?" The little light grinned, its eyes aglow. "I've lost my way and need help to go. Can you show me the way back to my home, Professor Flitwick and wise Hedwig?" With a wave of his wand and a spell so neat, Professor Flitwick guided the little light back to its seat. Thank you," it said, its voice soft and sweet. "I'll never forget your kindness, my friends so fleet." As they continued to fly, hand in wing, Professor Flitwick and Hedwig began to sing. Their voices rang out, clear and bright, underneath the magical night. And every night, as the moon took flight, Professor Flitwick and Hedwig would take flight, teaching spells, sharing stories, and having fun underneath the magical night's brilliant sun.